In lecture, I'm going to discuss what merge transformation in SQL Server Integration Services, SSIS. So this is the video lecture 18 of this SSIS class. So this is a small point about the merge transformation. The merge transformation combine incoming data sets with the same schema structure to produce a single output data set. So let's understand with the example. So merge transformation and merge join transformation both are different. So first here, let's see about the merge transformation. So here, package 2 or this package that's created. Now thereafter, let's give here meaningful name. So rename, then writing there merge transformation. Merge transformation. Thereafter, let's take their data flow task, and here the next is going to take their file. So here you can see a flat file. Let's take the flat file data. So here this is the file that's going to use file1 CSV, and now this column that's present there, and this data is there, 3 columns inside this file1. Let's click on OK. Take there another file, and here new browse, and the file is CSV tabs and using file2. So here let's click on this column. This is the record is there. If you go on this preview, here you can see 3 columns and 2 rows that's present there. So now the next is going to take the merge transformation. So this here transformation that's come, let's use merge, and now the next is this is flat file, and take the merge input 1, and here if when you are going to use merge transformation, so incoming record must be sorted format, so that if I click here you can see sort key position assigned. So that means you need to give here the sorted record inside when you're using merge transformation. So for this one, let's use the sort transformation to sort the record. To sort transformation that is required. And the next is let's stabilize the ring. So sorting on duplicate number, this is ascending. If you want to remove the duplicate, then you can check that. And let's stabilize the ring, and sorting this duplicate number. So here the next is let's use the merge transformation. Now you can use merge after sorting the record, and let's give merge input, and this here sort, and this here you can see output column name, duplicate number, sorted, and merge, and here 2. So this 3 columns that's present there, that's is in file1 and the file2. After that, the next is let's take there another transformation that's called multicast. So multicast going to use, and save that, and thereafter double click there, and data viewer, enable data viewer. Thereafter save that, and now start the task. So here you can see this here duplicate number dname log. So the file1 and file2 has the same structure. So this is the file1 data, and here you can see 13 cells. So this is the file2 data. Now the next is let's close this one and stop this one, and thereafter this here file1 and file2. So here you can see this is file1 CSV and file2 CSV data that's present there. And after doing this merge transformation, I'm getting the output of this data. So 2 files data that's combined when the file has the same structure. Okay, and the same thing that I'm doing with the merge join transformation. So here you can see merge join and data flow. So when you're here, you can, if I go on this flat file preview, the same file is there, and on this second here you can see on this preview this is the same file data and the structure is the same. But when you are using merge join, here you can give your the condition inner join, left outer join, full outer join. This is the condition you can give when you're using this merge join. And here you can use there this condition. And when I run this or start this task, so execute task. So here this 3 rows, 2 rows, and after that 2 rows, that's go. And after performing the merge join, so here this returning 1 record. So if I go into this, so merge join and merge transformation both are different. So with the help of this merge join, we can here join the 2 tables. Okay, and merge transformation only this merge the record. So file structure should be same. Now let's do here one thing. Going to take the different file. Sorry, going to take a different source and has a different file or differences or table structure. So let's use edu.net. Going to use there. So here let's use already have the connection item. Okay, and the next is going to use their enp. See the record, this number of column that's present there, dp number you can see. And let's take another source, and here are going to use dpt. Here you can see this is the record dpt number. Now let's click on OK. So thereafter let's stabilize the link. So what exactly happening there? And now, so going to do the sort on this dp number. Okay, so there you cannot see any error. Let's stabilize the link, and here dp number, that's fine. Now merge join, merge transformation here. So this give error, and let's save that, and now remove this. Again going to take there because it's giving the error, so that going to take there merge transformation again. So sorting data, that's sending into this, and here merge input, and this place let's see. So here automatically this is detected, and now let's use the multicast. Save that. So I have given the let's use enable data viewer. So dpt number both that is the same, and let's enable this data viewer. So only dpt number that's come there. So if a file has different structure, then you cannot get the expected output. Let's use the flat file. So I'm not getting the expected output. Other columns is not displaying there. So let's use the flat file destination. Other destination flat file. Let's stabilize the link. So if there is the file structure is different, so there is the problem, and only matching value that's displaying there. So on this text getting the data merge, getting the file merge txt. So column you can see only one matching column that's come there. So let's click on OK. Okay, there is the problem. Let's go on this mapping, this only matching that's come there. Save that. Now if I go on this merge, so only matching that's come there, so you cannot do any changes there. So that this is the problem. If the file structure or the source structure is not same, then you cannot get the expected output. So merge txt, you can see this record that's displaying. Okay, so this is an important point when you are using merge transformation. So merge transformation combine incoming data with the same schema structure. If the structure is not same, so there is the problem. It's not getting the other columns, and if other column that match, then this return here expected output. And merge transformation and merge join transformation both are different. So merge transformation you can only combine same structure file or same structure table data, but merge join you can do here. So you can give inner join, outer join, left join, you can give there. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.